In this video, I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Regal cinemas. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Google, and in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Regal cinemas promo code or codes. So once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter, and then we'll be brought to the Google search results. Now, as you can see, we've got third-party websites offering different promo codes. So we've got Groupon, we've got Real Tell Me Not, we've got Slick Deals, Worth the Penny. You can even check out Reddit as well. Sometimes good promo codes can be found there. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Real Tell Me Not, so 50% off Regal Cinema coupons. And now once I've clicked into here, you can see the different promo codes that have been used or are active. And these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. And another thing, they do become expired as well. So if you find a code that is expired, just move on to the next one. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to use this 50% off popcorn every Tuesday with Regal Crown Club. So if I click into that to activate, so alright, so it says here I've been blocked, unable, probably because I'm from a different country here. So if I scroll back here, might check out a different site. That one does work, but I'm going to do Slick Deals for this demonstration now. So we got early bird ticket prices, $5 to $8 tickets, $10 off. So you got more promo codes here. So if you want to do early bird ticket prices, I'm going to click into that deal. No coupon needed. So what it's going to do is redirect you to Regal Cinemas, but because I'm not in that region, I can't access it. So yeah, and I'll just do one more. So Worth the Penny, I'll click into here. So we got enjoy 50% off all 2D movies, get gift cards from Regal Cinemas, get 50% off popcorn, get 10% off movie tickets for art members. So if we want to just activate this one, I'm going to click into that. And then I'm going to click this link. So get up to 10% off movies, I'm going to click this link. Like so. So if you remember, just log in and enjoy your 10% off.